Guys, we're doing pork country style ribs on the Weber Kettle with my Slow N Sear coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Yes, we are out in beautiful, lovely Southern California today. I appreciate you being here with me. So I decided I want to do some country style ribs on my Weber Kettle today. So basically, country style ribs are just pork ribs off the pork shoulder, sliced off like a steak style. So they're, good 2-inch by 2-inch thick pieces of pork. So last night I used some of Sal's Root Boy No. 2 rub, and I let it sit in the rub all night long in the refrigerator. Good to go. Have it sitting out right now, getting a little chill off. Got my Weber Kettle ready to go. I'll show you how I set it up. Real easy to do. I'm doing these next few videos outside. I'm just digging. We got some nice fresh air. It's sunny. It's been a little rainy, a little cold around here, so I'm excited that we have a little bit of sun. Just get a little bit on me. All right, so beautiful day here in Southern California, beautiful day to barbecue. So we're gonna be out here and we're gonna do this right now. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we have plenty of charcoal in there. I had it filled up, was burning it, needed to turn it off, so I shut it down. It was able to preserve the charcoal in there, so we just got some new charcoal in there, a little bit of hickory wood, got a little haystack back here that we're gonna start up. Whew. Right, get that going. All right, we got our coals lit up. We have some hot water here we're gonna pour in the trough. Woo! You can tell that side was a little hot. All right, so we got our coals going, got our hickory wood there. All right, guys, we're gonna get these country style ribs put on this grill. I'm gonna get them. I have a little drip pan over here because there's gonna be plenty of fat dripping out. So I'm gonna try to get them over the drip pan as best as possible. I have my temperature probe already on this bad boy. All right, get this last one on. All right, these are all good to go. Looking good, looking good. All right, guys, we got our pork shoulders on. We're gonna plug in our thermometers here. Our Gobi thermometer. Hang this over here, and we'll get it on our Bluetooth. All right, guys, we're gonna get these bad boys off and get them wrapped up. Got 2 hours of smoke on these bad boys. Woo! With that hickory wood, we cooked these. We smoked these till 145. 145 temperature on these. Now we're gonna get them braised up for another couple hours probably. We're gonna use a little Angry Orchard hard cider. It's the only apple juice I had. Apple juice, get it? That's gonna add the sweetness you want in there. The butter. Oh yeah. You know it's good when it makes that noise. All right. I'm not gonna add extra seasoning to this because I did let it sit in the seasoning overnight. So we got a little Jim Beam smoky barbecue sauce here, smoky barrel. Still breezy. The sun's kind of gone away, so it's getting a little more chilly out here. So we're gonna sauce these up, braise them up, and sear them when they're done. So we get a nice little crust on there. Yeah. All right, guys, we got this tightened up. Added more foil in there. Grabbed another thing of foil. Get it wrapped up real nice. Get it back on here. Get it back off the fire a little bit. And then get one probe in there just so we can keep an eye on it. We're gonna take this up to like 195, 200. We'll call it a day. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna get this off the grill. It's been going. It's at 195 right now. I think that's good enough to get it off and get it sauced. Whew. Look at that. Look at that. It's looking pretty dang good to me. Looking good. Smell pretty good. Smells good, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So now we're going to get the coals fired up. We're gonna get these coals going a little bit, get a little more heat going, and we're gonna sear these up over the heat. We're gonna do a couple at a time.
Oh yeah. Thought they were already cooking.
They are. Now we're gonna add a little heat to it, a little bit of fire, get some color on them.
Nice.
Alright, so we're gonna sauce them up with this brush right here. Just added more flavor. I'm gonna get these sauced up and then get them turned over. Nice and caramelized. Sorry guys, we're working with a little bit of light. It got dark on us.
You want me to turn the lights over the pool on?
No, it's alright. I got a little helper out here with me.
I'm Grady.
Grady's playing director tonight.
If you could see me.
Don't get too close, bro. And Charlie joined us out here.
Yep.
Alright guys, we got our nice country style pork ribs right here. We're gonna slice a couple pieces off. Gonna cut it really thin like. See how we look here. Nice and moist, juicy. And nice little smoke ring on it. Alright. I'll have to sneak a taste before the taste test. Good stuff. Alright guys, come on back for the official taste test. Alright guys, we're back. I got this thing cut up. I'll show you how we cut it up. I'll show you how we cut it up. It's obviously tasty. I've already tried it. My son loved it too. It's a good bite for sure. Took a little bit of time. I was actually thinking about doing these a different way where we just kind of smoke them for an hour and then sear them off, treat them like a steak almost. But as the day kind of got going, I decided I wanted to braise these a bit and make them a bit more tender, have less of a chance to dry them out. All right. So I made a little side potatoes with the little roasted potatoes. Good to go. These things, the smoke ring on these things is just amazing. Yeah, baby. So much flavor. Tons and tons of flavor. Very good. Give this a shot. You got the Weber Kettle. You don't need the Slow N Sear, but hey, it helps if you have it. It's good stuff. One more. Juicy, tender, smoky, sweet. So good. All right, guys. That's it for this week. Thank you all for stopping by. And like always, thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.